Let's go,
Oh, ano sa
guys.
tingin yung gender ng anak ni Ate Gina and Kuya John?
Lalaki. Team lalaki kami. Pang.
Bakit? O bakit sa tingin niyo
Mas
lalaki?
dominant ang DNA ni Kuya John. That's my answer. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Pwede na yun. Ako na. Para sa baby ni ate at kuya, sana lumaki ka ng mabuti kasi ako ang tito mo. Ako ang magiging number 1 fan mo sa paglaki mo. Para kala
Sige, go lang.
ate and kuya, thank you so much kasi minamahal niyo ako kahit ganito yung ugali ko. I love you so much.
Para sa magiging baby nila ate, sunod ka sa kanila dahil successful sila. Tapos para kay ate and Kuya John, good luck sa first experience sa magka-baby.
Why?
I like girl. I love mommy and daddy.
Hi guys, it's me and Humayun. First of all, congratulations to both of you. What do you think? The baby.
I guess this is going to be the girl, a baby girl.
I think it's gonna be baby boy.
Why is that?
Kasi usually pag firstborn, baby boy la. So I think it's baby boy. Why do you think it's baby girl?
I just feel it. I feel it's going to be baby girl.
Yeah, and no matter what the gender, sana healthy yung baby.
Yeah,
yeah.
that's exactly true. And well, I wish all the best for you guys, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the last weeks of your pregnancy.
Yeah, just enjoy.
Yeah,
That's all.
it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ako boy.
Oo, sa akin boy din. Kasi lalaki si Kuya John.
Kaya ako naman kasi medyo madagulit ang kanyang chin.
Oh.
Congrats.
Congrats mo, stay healthy. Kaya baby po, pagya kayo.
Girl! Kasi blooming siya. Kasi hindi may timba. Good luck sa journey nyo sa pagiging new parent. Safe and normal sa delivery.
Hello, John and Gina!
Congratulations!
We are very excited to meet our pamangkin. And I feel me, it's a baby
Girl!
And very obvious, halata, di ba?
Have a healthy and safe delivery. Bye!
Sana lalaki. Kasi puro babae na yung yung mga bata na nandito. Pero andiyan na naman lumuwal, siyempre tanggapin mo pa rin. Congrats.
Thank you.